Yo, 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 yo! What's good, what's good, what's good? Alright, yo, I'm back at it again with a new video, bro. Alright, so in this video, bro, I'm gonna be showing you how we can basically create unlimited VidIQ accounts. And by the way, I want to give you shout out to VidIQ, but yesterday, if you haven't seen yesterday's video, I basically showed you how to revive a dead short and put it back into the album. So yeah, so like I said on this channel over here. And guess what too? So before this video start, I'm gonna be showing you how to get VidIQ coaches for free. So what I mean by VidIQ coaches, let me go in and show y'all. So I'm gonna show you how y'all could actually get unlimited access to AI coach over here. I'm gonna show y'all my whole method. But what I wanna say is I don't do free coaching. It is costly, and one-on-one coaching is not free at all. One-on-one coaching is not free. But yeah, but I have a lot of methods on my channel if y'all want to learn from it. So there's a lot of courses out on my channel, but one-on-one coaching, me mentoring you, is not fucking free, bro. It's not fucking free. So yeah, but if you want to work with me one-on-one, you can hit me up on Discord. But yeah, but like I said, one-on-one coaching is not free at all. But yeah, but like I said, it's costly. I'm gonna be posting more than almost a thousand methods on my main channel over here. I'm gonna be posting more than at least 1,000 methods on my main channel over here, and then closely on my unedited one right here. I'm going to be posting more than at least I'm trying to put out 1,000 on this one too. So yeah, all right. So the first thing y'all want to do is y'all want to go to incognito mode tab. We're gonna go to VidIQ. So yeah, all right. So you want to go to VidIQ, VidIQ.com. All right. So the next thing you want to do is go sign up for free. And what we're going to do, we're not going to sign up with a Google. We're going to go to sign in. You want to click sign in. All right. So the next thing you want to do is it's going to take you to this .audit page right here. All right. So the next thing you want to do is come over to a temp mail. I don't know what y'all know what that is, but it's called a temp mail. And this guy basically uses method create unlimited VidIQ AI coaches account. I'm able to have unlimited access to it, like where I can spy my competitors. And you can do a lot with this. You can even use this VidIQ thing to create thumbnails. You can use it to create YouTube thumbnails. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go to password generator. But yeah, like I said, one-on-one coaching is not free at all, because I gotta go out my way to coach you one-on-one and put you on the right spot for you to get real growth with your channel. So yeah. So like I said, closely on my main channel in my Twitter, I have more than at least 1,000 Twitter posts right here. You see 21.9K. So yeah, I have more than at least 20,000 posts. We leak niches over here, of course, but yeah. But one-on-one coaching is not free at all, but yeah. Free at all, of course, but yeah. Alright, so what you want to do is we want to come over here, and what we're going to do is basically copy one of these random passwords. Alright, so what I now do is basically go to here, create an account, and this is how you create an unlimited VidIQ accounts, and you can use it for AI coaching. I'm going to show you actually how we can basically use it to connect it over to our YouTube channel, but we're not going to actually connect it. I'm going to show you what we want to do. So I want to go to skip. Alright, so what we're going to do is go to exit this. Alright, so I want to go to skip for now. Alright, so what we basically want to do is now go over to AI coach right here. So what we want to do is basically get one of our we're going to copy our YouTube channel. We're going to use this for example, and we're going to use it for example for the day. And then what we're going to be using too is also we're going to include this file over here. So if y'all didn't know, I got a document file over here we're going to be using. So we're going to be using Google Docs, and it's over here. So we got a file called Pets by Tyrese, and this is basically a script structure for the Pets by Tyrese channel. But what I'm gonna just basically do is I'm gonna come over to here. I'm gonna go over to I'm gonna go over to file. I'm gonna go to basically. So I'm gonna go to Word Docs. We're gonna do Word Docs. Alright, so I'm going to take this out of trash. Alright, I'm going to take that out of trash. So what I'm going to do is go to that. We're going to go to plain text. Alright, so we're going to open this folder right here. Alright, so what I want to do is basically go to here. And what we're going to basically do is drag this file over to here. So we basically attach it over here to our VidIQ thing. And the next thing you want to do is go back to our Google Docs right here. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is now go over to where we see Tyrese, Fish by Tyrese. We want to basically go to this, and this is where everything auto prompts is at. So what we're also going to do is basically download this. So we're going to download this, and this will be in the description where you can check it out at. All right, so what I'm gonna do is basically come over to this AI coach chat, and then what I'm gonna do is basically attach this. All right, so what I'm now gonna have it do is now basically what is gonna spy on my channel. Find me more ideas for my channel to follow behind my pattern. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all, and what I'm gonna now do is basically come over to this, and I'm gonna show y'all proof that this is working. So everything I'm posting on my channel is proof. I plan on doing at least more than at least 10,000 coaching methods on my channel, teaching y'all ways to grow. All right, so yeah, so what I'm gonna now do is basically I plan on doing more than at least fucking 20,000 audience. Whoa, what the fuck, bro? Yo, whoa. That's wild right there. I didn't know I thought YouTube blocked words like that. I didn't know they allow shit like what the. That's crazy. All right, so of course and if there's any kids watching it that's under 18, please exit out the video. I'm sorry that just happened, but we're gonna get right back to the video. I'm sorry that just happened, but YouTube should be blocking words like that. YouTube know better. They know better. They know they have children on this platform. Like, come on, bro. All right, so what we're gonna now do is basically give it our titles. I wanna follow behind my title patterns. Yeah, that was crazy. All right, so what we're gonna basically do is attach our 3 files right here. I'm gonna basically say expound my channel. It's gonna basically find me ideas, and it's gonna say connecting over to YouTube data fetching. You can see that this unlimited method works, and you can use this to literally grow your YouTube channel. So, like I said, you can even use it to go. There's a tool over here where you can get thumbnail generation tools, script writing tools, but this is how you create unlimited VidIQ accounts. For the ones out there that can't afford it, you just rush and repeat this over and over again, and boom, you got unlimited accounts. So you can even use it for script writing. If you wanted to write one of your video scripts, you can use it for script writing, and yeah, you can do 10-minute, 30-minute, you could do long form, short form, bro. And you can even do formatting, storytelling. Like you see, you could do it over storytelling. You could do this. And then what we could basically do is attach our files over here. It's gonna write our script. So yeah. So you see now I got your whole playbook, and it's gonna basically look through the channel, and it's gonna gather all of our titles. You see the pattern A, pattern B, and you see right here. So this is what makes them work. The person, learn, never, always, emotional, validation. This is capitalization, power words. All right. So you can see right here. Now what it basically gives me is keyword search volume. So you see right here. It gave me a lot of these title IDs. You see, we got a lot of these title IDs. This man was caught with opposite. So if we go to this, we have these title IDs where we can basically search and nobody uses yet. So that could be a title ID I already use. But yeah, that's how you create unlimited. That's how you really create unlimited VidIQ accounts. And VidIQ is really the way to grow your channels. But yeah, this is how you get access to the AI coach, even if you can't afford it. I basically gave y'all the method, so you can see. This man learned why authors never get caught. So you see right here, 23K views. And like I said, we want to find smaller channels that's pulling in great views. So yeah, if it's all smaller channels and angle pulling in great views, we know that we're gonna get our channel's going to get good views too. So you see, this man was never author. So yeah, it's about falling behind a pattern. And like I said, YouTube is a pattern game. No matter what, it's about who could do the best patterns. It's not about who's better or whatever. It's about who could do the best patterns, you know? So YouTube always been a pattern game. So if we wanted to right here, we could basically have it, basically attach all this to TXT. So attach everything in this chat to a .txt file, please, and give it to me. All right, so what we could do is attach everything to this file to a .txt file, of course. So this is, I don't have capability export files. All right, so what we could basically do is now come up the artist. We'll just copy this, so we'll just copy right here. And yeah, so you can see right here, 100 million views, and we want to look for more than just. We don't want to see just bigger channels winning. We want to look for smaller channels winning in this cluster because that means we went to. So you see, 4.5 million views 9 months ago. Dark pop. So if we open this up right here, you can see 100,000, 124,000 views, 221 videos, and yeah. So this would be a great niche for people who want to get started. Like, well, let's see. So this is a great niche for people who want to do. It looks like an anime type niche. Some I'm not interested in, but yeah, it's easy for y'all to do, and yeah. But I could drop a video on my channel how to get started like that. But you see 39K views 1 year ago. You see 37 million views 2 years ago. So we want to look for really smaller channels really winning this cluster and not getting views up. But yeah, because we know that this is going to work. And if we go over here, basically, if we go over there, we can know that this is going to be a safe title. So if we go to, let's go back. All right, so if we go to Notepad right here, what we could go ahead and do is we could basically paste all this data at the bottom of our notes. So this file will be in the description where you can check it out at. So yeah, we could go there and paste this. It's going to paste all the text we see right here, literally on screen, and we have all of our title data right here. You see, we have literally our title data right here. So what I can have it do is basically line me up. So it says 95 overall score. This is top 5 concepts right here. So what I can have it do is basically just line me up a script. So you probably ask me, oh, what do you mean script? So what I can have it do is basically come over to the script. I could do so. What if I wanted to right here? I could do a 1 minute script, or I could have it like do a 60-second script. Make me a 60-second script, please. All right. So what I'm gonna do is basically come over to this file where my script structure is. So my structure is up here. So this is my structure. So what I'll basically do is come up to this, and I'll basically go to here. I'll basically copy all this right here. So this is my structure. So what I'm basically going to do is basically attach these files. So I'll just copy and paste this, and I'm gonna go to here, and what I'm going to do is if it lets me, but you know what, it ain't gonna let me. So I'm gonna say this is my structure. My structure. Write me a script in this structure order. Alright, so it's gonna go through and write me a script. And yeah, so you can see that we basically got the title. It says, do you want a 60-second script? And what we basically do now is give it back our title. So we see this fisherman learned why goblins, sharks never miss. So what we just go ahead and do is give it back our title. Yes, this is my title. It's gonna write me a 60-second YouTube short script. It's gonna say, do you want a documentary type styles? And yeah, so we basically gave it our script structure over here, and it's gonna let us know. It's gonna say scanning YouTube data. This is topic research. Complete this is brainstorming ideas. And what it's gonna do is not brainstorm, but yeah. But like I said, that's how you create unlimited VidIQ accounts. But if you want to work with me one-on-one, like I said, I don't do one-on-one coaching for free. It's not free at all. So yeah, it's gonna be some money, because if y'all was doing a business like this, you were charged too. So yeah, what we could basically do is go to continue. It's gonna say a deep fisherman right here. So what we could basically do is go to continue right here, and we're gonna have this. What we're gonna now have is this script, and what it did, it wrote us up a good script so we could use for our YouTube channel. But yeah, but like I said, this is how you get access to the unlimited AI coach for VidIQ, and you can literally use chimp mails, and yeah. But like I said, I'm gonna see you on the next video, bro. I got another video dropping right after this. But yeah, but you can see a deep fisherman thought his equipment was snagged on the ocean floor. A surfer who was living fossils and horror secret he captured. So you see right here, basically write us up a good script, and this is basically like the hook. So what it's not going to do is basically dissecting, pacing, and flow. So it's not going to basically get the script rolling. And yeah, so like I said, these titles over here are actually safe. So you see organ, targeted, narrative, pivot. This is title alignment, bridge, authority, blueprint. So yeah, so we could basically now do it is for our next ideas. We could attach it to the chat. And yeah, so you can see it gives a lot of these title IDs. We have 95 score, and yeah, we can also ask it. So we can ask it for the score. So we can ask it. You see right here. It also says why it works. It says footage. Extreme. It says this goblin. So what we could basically do is what I like about VidIQ. We could basically click on this. Is 100 times out your score, 300K views, and bad engagement, 16 views per hour. We can open on YouTube Remix. We can even find similar title IDs. Add as competitor, you see right here. So this 300K views, sub channel draw, and this is so. And what we basically did was we don't reinvent the wheel. We take what already worked. And what I like about VidIQ is VidIQ can basically spy on our competitors, and it can spy on like lookalike channels. So if we want to go over there, we can see that this is another competitor right here with 2K subs, a smaller channel winning. So that's what we need. We need smaller channels winning. We don't want smaller channels dying out or getting views out. Getting views out, of course. He gotta be pulling in consistent views, but yeah. But like I said, we just repeat this method. We do this method over and over again. So you can see that you see 700K he's getting consistent views. And you see, we need to have. He can't be 600K. He can't be 600 views. He can't be 200 views, 1K. He got to be pulling at least 300K, 500K, 67K, 31K. He got to be pulling consistent views like this for it to be a good ace. But yeah, but like I said, this is the hook right here. So what it basically did was it gave us this whole script. So what I could basically do is download this as a TXT, and I could just throw this into ChatGPT. So what I could do is now come over to ChatGPT. I could throw this. So I could throw this into a new chat at ChatGPT, and I could have ChatGPT just remove the scene. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm able to do it. So what I'm able to do is basically have ChatGPT remove all the scenes. So you see, it's a script, lifetime structure. So yeah, so you can see it says the fisherman right here. So it gives another title right here. It says intro hook. So it says imagine you're deep sea and fisherman mouse from your shore. So you see this hook sounds really great. You see the section 1, and then this is right here. So what I'm gonna now do is basically copy and paste this over to ChatGPT, and we're not gonna use it. We're gonna copy and paste it. What I'm gonna have ChatGPT do, VidIQ gave me a script, A/B tested, and give me just the script with no scenes, just a plain script. So what I could do is just do is rest repeat this and create unlimited VidIQ accounts and do it over and over again. So yeah, so you see, imagine you're in the DC. So this is the whole script. So what I could have it do is basically A/B test the script, A/B test the script, make sure it's good for search to go viral and not get 0 view generate. So it says your script is already strong search because it has curiosity hook. It says fear mystery face fast paced and visuals moment a payoff, and yeah. So but to improve the retention shorter. So you see right here it says shorter sentences, more attention early. So what it now go ahead and does is it gives the whole script again. And you can see imagine a fisherman in the middle of the ocean, your lines get stuck, and we have the whole script right here. So we could use this for our next short. So this is why this version works. This is faster hook. This is more pause, better retention, and you can see that, yeah. But this is the whole script. Like I said, we can literally use this for a new version on our channel. So if I wanted to right here, I could basically go to I'd rather y'all use docx. So what I could basically do is go to a blank document, and I'm literally using everything that y'all can use. So what I could do is go to Control V, and this is our script. So and this is our title over here. So what we can do is use this plain title right here. So we use this fisherman learned about goblin sharks never miss. So we can see that. We can also see that you can see a few keywords from our title is in the starting of our script. So that's what we need for the starting of a hook. So for a script to go viral. So yeah, we could go up to this right here. We could basically paste this. We don't want to put every single entire keyword in the script. We need it to be in a hook. A few keywords is in the title and a hook. So yeah, but you can see, imagine fishing in the middle of the ocean. Your line gets stuck. You pull harder, but the ocean starts to. I mean, but then the ocean starts flowing, moving. All right, so you see, this could be a whole good script we can literally use, and we can literally throw it on voiceover. And we can generate the voiceover. We can then get the subtitles, and we can upload it to YouTube, and it'll do well. But like I said, I'm gonna see you on the next video, bro. And if you need any more questions, hit me up. I'm gonna fuck with y'all, bro. I'm gonna fuck with y'all, but we out. We out, and yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next video. But like I said, if you want to work with me one-on-one coaching, it won't be for free at all. Like, y'all treat this like YouTube shit like a business. Like, you gotta look at it like this. If I'm doing a business where I'm hitting over millions of views on multiple channels, bro, there's no way I'm finna just be doing this shit for free at all. So yeah, but like I said, these videos do stack up, and I do these coaching videos for y'all to learn from. I wouldn't be up here saying all this knowledge if I didn't know everything I know. But you see, so yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next video, bro. And if y'all need any questions, bro, like I said, hit me up on Discord. My Discord's right here. I don't have a server, by the way. My haters ban my server. Fucking dickheads. But if you need, and I'm sorry for language. I'm sorry for language. Mothers out there, parents, I'm sorry for language. But if you need me, want to work with me one-on-one, hit me up right here at Terry Slan. And you can text my boy. This is my boy right here. Curly Curls. I work with him every day. He scaled up channels just like me. He got demonetized 5 times, and we're still 3+ channels terminated. He's still making over 100K. But like I said, the work with me is not gonna be easy at all. I'm gonna fuck with y'all in the DMs though. But like I said, it's the method, bro. Y'all need this method. and I want to see y'all cook with this method. So, like I said, we smoking all these bitch ass coaches, getting these niggas the fuck up out of here, bro. You know, we smoking them one by one, and VidIQ know it too. But like I said, VidIQ's proud of me, and they're proud to see a person like me win. You know, I'm gonna share that what they said on Twitter. They basically told me, "Oh, we round for you. We want to see you win." And yeah, but like I said, most people don't want to see me win. I got a lot of haters in this motherfucking game that try to down me and shouldn't think they can play me like I'm a fucking kid. I ain't no kid. I'm a grown ass man. I'm 21 years old. So yeah, but yeah, so this is you got this cheering for you, and yeah, but like I said, go fuck with VidIQ, bro. This is how you get unlimited VidIQ. Comes AI coach, access to the coach. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Let's fucking go, bro. I'm out, dog.